Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys subscribe. So tonight I'm going to be making heart of palm pasta. It is a substitute or alternative pasta instead of an all-purpose flour. This is a pasta made out of heart of palm. So I hope you guys enjoy. This is a heart of palm noodle. It's a linguine. It comes in a can. They also have it in a bag. And it is only 4 grams of carbs per serving. So the entire thing has 3 full servings. So that's really, really good. And the texture is actually pretty darn close. And this is how it looks inside. And what they tell you to do is to put it in water and let it sit for about 30 minutes. You can also put it in like a milk, but super good. But I'm gonna make pasta with it. So now we're going to be putting the pasta. And the meat that you saw, I had just cooked up. It was lean ground beef. So 93% lean, 7% fat. Super yummy. And I had cooked it up in some onions and garlic and a few peppers. I used about 13 ounces just because that's how much I had. And I'll finish this up with a little glob of ricotta that has the Parmesan cheese and oregano on the side. It tastes so good with that. Clean the side of there. And there you go.